guys, it's me, Cath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like more Canva tutorials, click the subscribe button below. Happy designing! Before we start searching for elements on Canva, you need to choose first a template. I'm going to choose the presentation template that I prepared. Our first keyword will be Memphis. Click the elements on the left, then type Memphis. Now we can see shapes and lines. Let's use this one. If you want to see more of this element, you can click the magic recommendations, or you can click the three dots here and see more like this. Now you can see the similar elements that you can also use in your design. If you want to see what is the name of the designer of a certain element, just click the three dots and click the view more by. This is the name of the designer, and once you click it, you will be directed to the elements that are designed by that designer. Now let's search for shapes Memphis. We can now see animated shapes that we can also use in our graphic. Let's try this one. If you want to see the keywords that are used in this element, just click the three dots and you can see all the keywords that are used. Once you click it, you can see the elements that are related with that keyword. I click the 3D. Now I can see 3D elements. Okay, let's go to keyword number 2. Now we can see some colorful illustrations here. You can change its colors. Let's try to change it. There you go. And if ever you like a certain element, you can click the three dots again and click the add to likes. Then it will be saved to your likes. You can see it here on the left part. Click your folders and click the likes. Now it will save here. Okay, let's go back to elements and let's search for our keyword number 3, the animated blob. Let's try to find a nice animated blob. Let's try this one. You can use it when you create an animated graphic. Keyword number 4 will be washi tape. This is the washi tape. You can use this when you're using photo in your graphic. Let's try this. Let's try to use this one. You can use this and let's reposition it. Or this one. There you go. Our next keyword would be photo corner. Let's go back to elements and search for the keyword photo corner. This keyword photo corner, you can use this element for your photos to add additional decoration. Let's try to use this photo. And let's send it backward. Now we had an additional decoration for our photo. Keyword number 6 will be from this code. Now, if you want an old vibes into your design, you can definitely use this keyword. You can use it as a background for your graphic. There you go. Keyword number 7 would be the Newbrushstroke. Let's choose this one. And another one, you can change it colors. It depends on what color do you like. There. Okay. Keyword number 8 will be Brutalist. You can also use this element if you want some colorful design. There you go. Keyword number 9 will be Psychedelic. If you want a unique elements for your design, you can definitely search for the psychedelic elements. Keyword number 10 will be psychedelic blobs. You can see here some colorful blobs that you can use as a decoration for your template. Okay. Keyword number 11 is gradients. Let's try to use this one. We can change its colors. And we can use it as a background for our template. We can also change its transparency. Okay, there you go. Keyword number 12 is neon. If you want a neon effect in your design, you can definitely try this keyword, neon. Let's try to use this heart. Okay, keyword number 13 will be Doodle. So if you want some doodle illustration, you can definitely click the elements here. Okay. Now for our next keyword. You can use the shapes in your design. There you go. You can also use some illustrations from this keyword. Let's try to click this one. There you go. Keyword number 15 would be this one. We can now see some illustrations of women and other illustration. Let's try to use this flower crown. Keyword number 16 would be blob. You can also use this blob in your template. Change its colors to your preference. Let's try to change its colors to this one. Okay. Next keyword is Handdrawn. Now we can see some hand-drawn illustrations. Let's click this rainbow. There you go. Just scroll down to see more elements that you like. Keyword number 18 is watercolor. These elements are so cute. So if you want to add a cute elements or decorations in your graphic, you can definitely try using the keyword watercolor. Keyword number 19 is positive quotes. Let's choose this one. Believe in yourself. You can try changing its colors. Let's try to change it. And this one. Okay. Keyword number 20 would be the glitter. If you want to add some fancy element in your design, use the keyword glitter. Okay. Keyword number 21 is minimal. So if you're into minimalistic design, try to use the elements from this keyword. You can find awesome illustration here, like this one. Keyword number 23 is bold minimalist. Let's search it. These illustrations can be used when you want to create a simple illustration. Just click the element bold minimalist. Just search for bold minimalist. Let's try to use this frame and let's add some additional decoration, a plant. Now we have a simple illustration. Keyword number 23 would be the hand painted. You can find awesome hand painted illustration here when you search for the hand painted keyword. You can use it on your graphic, or you can use it on your presentation. Let's just try some elements. There you go. We have some plants and sun. Keyword number 24 would be the organic drawing. You can choose some drawings here. I will pick random elements just to show an example. There you go. And our last keyword would be sparkle. Let's use this one. And this one. And now we're done. We have 25 keywords that we can use in our design.